Explore standing large capacity refrigerated centrifuge operation video. Mainframe installation. After unpacking the mainframe, put it on a flat and stable ground. Ensure that the gap around the distance of 30 cm. Take out the hexagonal wrench. Align the bottom of the front cover of the mainframe, fixing bolts shown on both sides. Turn the hex wrench counterclockwise. Loosen the fixing bolts at both ends and remove. The front cover of the machine can be removed. First, hand twist both sides of the fixed top bar clockwise until the base of the top bar fits firmly on the ground. After confirming that the universal wheel at the bottom of the main unit must be off the ground, then turn the upper nut clockwise to the end. Use wrench 24 and to tighten the retaining nut. Installation of the left side of the fixed top bar follows the same procedure as for the right side. Take up the lower front cover, alignment of the cover plate screw slot with the upper screw slot on the machine, hang up the mouse and put in. And finally the hexagonal wrench, tighten the bottom left and right retaining bolts clockwise. Power cord wiring. Connect the power cord to the air switch according to the label on the power cord. Then you can turn on the power. Turn on the main switch on the right side of the mainframe. The screen lights up. Installation of the mainframe is complete. Rotor installation and removal. Rotor body center axis red dot direction. Align with the center of the main shaft in the direction of the red dot. Place vertically. Pick up the center screw and put it into the center of the spindle. Tighten the center screw clockwise by hand. Then fix the rotor body by hand with the fourth bar. Insert the fourth bar through the center screw opening. Tighten the center screw fully clockwise. Pick up the hanging cup. The number on the hanging cup corresponds to the same number on the rotor body. The hanging cup numbers face inward. Put the bait of the hanging cup into the rotor body by aligning the bait with the mouth of the rotor. All hanging cups are placed in the rotor body in the same way. Grab the windshield cover. Press the arrow tab on the windshield cover. Align rotor cover home tab placement. Installation of the rotor body is complete. Removing the rotor. Take out the windshield cover first. Remove the hanging cups one by one. Use a stiffener rod to pass through the screw. Loosen the lever counterclockwise. Center screw. Loosen the center screw completely by hand. Finally, remove the rotor body vertically. Rotor disassembly is complete. Sample placement. Grab the centrifuge cups. Place the centrifuge cups one by one symmetrically. Different rotor bodies. The samples can be placed according to the list shown in the illustration. Cover the casing with a cove. Close the door cover by hand. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Sample placement complete. Operation of the interface. There are two parts to the operation interface. Left is the digital display operation area. Fixed command operation area on the right. Operation is divided into frequently used programs and preset programs. Common mode operation guide. Click the up and down buttons of no digital display area. Adjust the corresponding rotor number. Click the up and down buttons of the speed digital display area. Adjust the corresponding rotational speed. Click on the up and down buttons of the time digital display area. Adjust the time required. Click on the up and down buttons of the temp digital display area. Adjust the desired temperature. Click on the up and down buttons of the digital display area. Adjust the desired number of steps. Click on the up and down buttons on the D display. Adjust the desired down speed gear. All parameters are set. Click the start button. Sample centrifugation in operation. Click on the stop button. Sample centrifugation stops. Hear the sound of the main unit ticking. Centrifugation is finished. Click on the open button. Open the door lid. Open the door completely by hand again. Centrifugation is complete. Operating instructions for preset programs. Follow the same procedure as for the common mode. Set the rotor number, rotational speed, time, temperature, and speed setting. After starting and stopping centrifugation, the preset program is saved. Click on the up and down buttons on the P digital display. The program can be freely switched. Blood procedure guide. In the case of the usual programs, only the values of the A and D fields need to be adjusted. Adjust only the values in the A and D displays. Numerical switching. The values with a decimal point are the centrifugal speeds for the blood mode. Troubleshooting guide. Mechanical unlocking device can be activated on the left side of the main unit. In case of special conditions, use the emergency screw port on the left side. Use the hexagonal wrench in the direction of the label. Turn the button until it does not budge. Open the door cover again by hand.